bayad na to, kaya buksan na natin. So, paano daw buksan? O sige, ano sabi niya dito? Well, may drama pa siyang ganyan. And then, can you just destroy it like that? O mga instruction how? Oh my gosh! I'm so eh, di pala, oh, dito pala binubuksan, oh, like that. Oh, diba? And then, you open it like so. Perfect! Wow! So, this is it, pansit! Okay, so may mga kasama siyang product information and everything. What else? There's no more. Ayan, mga leaflet on how to charge. Quick start guide. Okay, so this is the watch itself. Let's open it. Ayan. Oh, this is the charger. And what do you have here? Oh, this is another, what do you call that? Yeah. This is what? Oh, this is the watch itself. Ah, I see. So, ito, isa pa siyang brace. Ang tawag nito?
Bracelet.
Tama? Bracelet. Para just in case is maliit yung kamay mo, or mahaba. Oh, this is how you're gonna open it. Pa-English pa kasi Tagalog naman tayo. Oh my gosh, here it is. Tananan, tan, 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 tan. Perfect! Oh, ayan na siya. Okay, so hindi pa siya nakasindi. Hindi ko alam kung how. But anyway, let's try it on my wrist. Oh, di tama-tama lang pala siya. Oh. Let's see, let's see. Ayan. Tananan. Okay. Ayan. So, ito pala yung itsura niya. Ah, diba? Very nice. I like the yellow. You like it? Okay, I hope you like it. Oh, how to operate later po. Babasahin ko muna. Bye!